The NEET issue has reached the top court. It is the CBI heat on the leak that had happened in this paper. We now have access to some of the screenshots that have surfaced in this case. That there were fake screenshots that had gone ahead. That the youth shared fake screenshots of the paper, and that precisely is currently right now in the top court. Remember, many are hopeful of that there will be at least some decision that the court will take. Legal correspondent coming in this case. Let's go across to Kanu Sarda. Kanu, yes, you tell me what's happening there at the Supreme Court, because this UGC and NET has been cancelled after the fake leak claim, and that CBI probe has found no leak in this case.
Yes, Pooja, the hearing in the matter is scheduled to take place around 11:30 or so in this case. The Chief Justice of India is going to hear this matter. The status reports filed by CBI, NTA and the centre is already on the record for the judges. The reports that we have accessed exclusively tells us that all the three agencies are claiming that there was a leak, but all of them have maintained that the leak was only to a particular cities. So they have clearly stated that all the allegations raised by petitioners over here, that the marks were given to few centers, and the few centers were where the students have got excess marks, was not substantiated. They have also cited an IIT Madras study which clearly states that there is no malpractice in the entire thing, and the data they have analyzed is of 1.4 lakh students, and on basis of that analysis, IIT Madras has found out that there is no abnormality in the marks that is being given to those students. So all these things are now before the Supreme Court. Now the Supreme Court is going to decide whether the sanctity of the exam, they have already admitted that it has been compromised, but what happened to those students who have fairly got good marks in the exam. So Supreme Court has to balance all the rights of those students who have scored well and those who have benefited from that paper leak. So the centre has admitted before the top court that those students who have got some benefit from the paper leak has been penalized, and a necessary action has been taken against those people. And the counselling also, the centre has claimed that will happen in the third week of July.
Okay, Kanu, keep tracking the latest on that. It's important because there has to be absolute transparency in any examination that takes place, specifically with regard to how it deals with the future of the country and the youth. Thank you, Kanu.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.